Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrap Queen and today I'm gonna introduce you my latest new paper collection. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so my next collection, Mystical Blue. Do we need to see more? Do I need to say more? What do you see? Oh, I love it. So it's blue, yes, obviously. So yeah, it's mystical because of the images. It's very, it's just, I'm just gonna show you. Okay guys, first of all I need to say this big package includes 78 sheets and you get 12 double-sided papers, but the cover also had a nice back. It's 170 gram and it's an A4 size. In centimeters 21 by 29 and a half centimeters, and so yeah. Let's just dig in. So if you can see this, it's a big pile with all these yummies. Okay, so you get six sheets each. So each set, when I do my tutorials, I always talk about a set, and a set means 13 pages. So you get 13 times 6 sheets, so that's, you get 78 sheets. Well, let me show you. Okay guys, so let's get started with the cover. So like I told you before, I always try to let the cover also be used, so you can cut out this beautiful lady, this mystical lady. I really love it. And you also can use the flowers, you can use these little stamps, and you can use this cup. So it's definitely a Delft's Blue inspiration collection, but still there are so many mystical images and everything. So, but that's why I always like to make the cover also to be used. So okay, and then the back we have a very nice, yeah, it's a nice plain dark blue sheet, but I call that, it still has some images in it, and I don't know if the camera gets it, and it's in real life the color is more dark blue than it shows on camera, but if I go a little closer you still can see the grungy things in it. I absolutely love this. So it's very easy to be used, so you get 6 times of these, so easy to be used. Then the next page we have a nice note card page, so you can cut these out with lovely flowers. But if you don't want to use the note cards, you still can use all these little flowers that you can cut out and put them on another page or whatever you want to do with that. But I just love it. Then I had some space at the bottom. I created 2 strips at the bottom here, a blue one and a gray one with a dark blue, so it's very easy to be used, those strips. Plus some notes, just magical, me and you, memories, blue mystical, love you, small things, and beautiful blue. So these words are always nice to have in a set. I just love them. And then we go to the back. Here we have a nice stripe with all the blues, the light blue, the dark blue, the cream color on the back, the grungy, the brown, everything is coming back together real nice. So it's very easy to use this. I always like stripes. For those who follow me longer than today, you know I love stripes. I definitely am in love with this. Then the next one is a very busy one. It's flowery, it's ornament, it's damask, it's everything what I love. So all the blue colors also comes back in this one. Absolutely stunning. Love it. And then we go to the back. So here we have a nice easy light page with very small little drawings on it. So easy to be used, so cute, so cute. Then we have a big page. I call this a big page, a big decorative page, because yeah, there is so much in it. I just love it. Easy to be used. You can cut out these and glue it down. You can use the full page. On the side I have 2 strips that you also can cut out and use that on another page. This bottom you can cut out for a pocket. There is so many things you can use. These little guys you can cut out and glue them somewhere else. This little tag you can use, put a nice name tag on. I just love these pages. So yeah, a big image page. And then we go to the back. The back is quite easygoing and peaceful. So a nice grungy beige gray background with a little blue touch in the front and some decorative edges all the way around. I love it. So cool. So it's an easy page. Then we have this same stripe but then a blue background. So it's a little darker, but still all the blue and brown colors are coming back in this one. The back, I made a nice, I call this plate. I love it. It's a brown and white, but still very grungy all the way with some white and dark. Love it. Easy to be used on every collection that you are playing with, but I really like that the brown is coming back in this collection. Otherwise it's too blue. Then we have a nice flowery page. This is also very easy to be used because it's not too dark, it's not too busy, but yeah, still nice blue flowers on it with some brown little leaves on the back. In real life it's so much prettier than on camera. I hear that so many times when people get the papers in hand. On camera it actually not do its justice, but okay. And then we go to the back. The back is also very, yeah, good to use. It's a nice brown, grungy page. Easy to be used. You can use it this way. So cool. I believe there are very little brown roses, but easy to be used. So cool. Then we have a busy flowery page. This really brings the Delft blue a little back. I love that. So the blue is very, that's why it's called mystical blue, blah blah blah. So yeah, a very nice page, also easy to be used. You also can cut these out if you want to use some more flowers, or if you have an easy page. So you can do loads of things with these pages. And then the back. The back is also very quiet, but still very, yeah, Delft blue. I don't know, but it's so cute. I love these little elements. So cute. Alright, then we have a more busy page. Love this one. Imagine you cut these out on a nice belly band page. Oh, amazing. It's just amazing. I love this page. But you also can use the page, of course, though. You just can use the page. Absolutely stunning. And then we go to the back. The back is pretty much the same as this one, but then so much easier going, so much more peaceful, but very grungy. Nice brown. Yeah, what can I say about this? It's so grungy. I absolutely love these quiet pages. Okay, now we have a cutout page. Love these images. Absolutely stunning. So I hope I can do its justice if I put this a little closer to the camera to show you all these beautiful images. So cozy, but also it feels a little cold with the blue. So I thought it's a perfect time to put this in December, January. Love these ladies. Oh, that reminds me of the time that I did airbrushing. I made a lady with also some tattoo on her faces, and I just love those mystical women, ladies. I just love it. Okay, then we go to the back. The back has some flowery theme, but then very beige, creme colorly. So creme colorly. Okay. So very good to be used, and yeah, it brings the feminine back in everything. Blue is a little bit cold, but yeah, the combination with brown keeps it down a little bit. Then we have another cut apart page. Look at this cat. Oh, it's amazing. I love it. And then we have that beautiful lady that's on the front of the cover, back again. Here, it brings back the Delft blue again. Oh, I love this. And here, this reminds me a little bit on, yeah, in India or something. I don't know. I have no idea, but I just love it, especially with these decoration in front. Oh, love it. And then these windows and all these bottles. Ah, amazing. Love it. I can't wait to start with these. And then the back we have the blue plate. Easy to be used, also in other collections. Then we have a little flowery page. So nice to work with these. And then the brown is a little bit on the back, coming back, easy going. Then we have some blue damask with some white, but it's so crunchy. I am in the crunchy team now. I love it. And then this page, oh, I could not resist. Bringing back the Delft blue a little bit more with these tiles. So cute and so good going, because you can cut all of these out and make little stamps out of them and glue them down on pages for just decoration. Oh, it's so much fun. I can't wait to start working with these pages. It's so cool. Then the back we have some mystical pages with beautiful edges and some, yeah, mist and cracks in it. I just love it. It's so cool. Oh, okay. And then this page. This page is also one of my favorite ones because of the Delft blue little houses. So cool. I love it. And this has also some grungy splashes and some lyrics and a coffee stain and stamps, and it just has everything what I love in a page. And then the back is a nice blue plain one, but still it has some, yeah, I think some butterflies and leaves on it, but flowers or something. But it's so cool. I love plain ones because it works so nice with other papers. So what do you guys think? What do you think, guys? Do you love this? Oh, I can't wait to start with that. Okay, so this was my little introduction for the Mystical Blue paper collection. I hope you like it. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like this collection. And just send me an email, guys, if you like this. If you want this. If you want this, just send me an email. I'll be waiting. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. So as if you can see, there are 6 sets in a paper collection. So one of this is one set.